Hari Om and welcome to Khushi Se Yoga's video for eye movement. So today we are going to demonstrate some asana which will help you to relax your eyes muscles. This is especially for people who work in corporates because they have maximum exposure to laptop, phone and other electronic devices. So at the end of the day, when you are about to complete your daily routine, please practice the sequence for maximum benefits. We'll begin with pen rotation sidewards. So take pen or you can use your fingers as well. First left hand movement. Slowly move your hands towards left side, but remember no head movement. Head remains still. Only your eyes will move. Take it to the extreme. Take it to a place where you can watch without head movement. Watch my eyes, how they are rotating. Slowly come back. Remember, the movement should be as slow as possible. No fast movement. Relax your eyes. Now change your hand. Take the pen to the extreme right, very slowly. And come back. Today we'll be demonstrating only once. When you are actually practicing, you can practice this 2 to 3 times. Now up and down movement. Take the pen again. Yes. So now move the pen upwards. Remember no head movement, only move your eyes. Take them till a point where you can watch without rotating your neck or head movement. Slowly come back and take the movement down. In this you can use any hand, but the point should be as straight as possible to your eyes. And come back. This also you can practice 2 to 3 times. Do not put undue pressure on your eyes. If you are feeling strained in your eyes, just relax. Now close your eyes. Between each practice, when you change, just close your eyes, relax your eyes. Open your eyes. Now we'll have the second technique where you look at a farther point. So look away at a very distant point from yourself and look near. Away and near. Practice this 10 to 20 times as per your comfort level and then close your eyes. Third is blinking. Just blink your eyes for 30 seconds continuously. This is very good for giving moisture to your eyes and cleaning your eyes. And relax. Next is using both hands. Take the hands in opposite direction. First hands straight in front of you. Yes, and now both hands in opposite direction and try to concentrate from your eyes on opposite sides. Stop wherever you want to, where you feel discomfort. This increases the span of your eye movement. And slowly come back. and relax. Next is nose point gazing. So just focus on your nose. If you are not able to, then take your finger in front of you and slowly pull it towards your nose by watching towards it. And after some time, just close your eyes and visualize your nose in front of you. Now, last but not the least, the most important for eyes is meditation. So, after your eye practice, just lie down, or while sitting, just meditate for 5 to 10 minutes. Either you can do Brahmari or deep breathing. Your back should be straight. You should be seated in a comfortable posture, shoulders relaxed. You can either go for Yog Nidra or 10-minute guided meditation, which we have shown in other videos. So with this, we come to the end of the Yoga for Eyes program. Hari Om. Do follow, like and subscribe Khushi Se Yoga.